Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you students ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today video. Friends, simple stone art. I am sharing simple stone art ideas. This stone art are easy to paint and decorate. You can use bright color and simple designs. Flower, heart and pattern look very beautiful. Perfect for home decoration. Tile art at home. And viewers, next idea is river. Friends, friends, easy stone craft. I am sharing easy stone craft ideas. You can use simple stone and paste material. Clean the stone and start decorating. Use paint, glue, small items. This craft is fun and creative. Perfect for home decoration. Home decor. Use stone to creative small art piece. You can make flower shape or pattern. Place them on table. Shells. Simple, stylish, and handmade with love. And friends, viewers, next area is viewers. I hope you like my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So Allah Hafiz, see you in the next